Have you ever wanted to analyse Large Hadron Collider data for yourself? Well, now you can. Hunting the Higgs is a hugely interactive show which sees audiences undertaking all the steps of the scientific method required to discover the Higgs boson for themselves, and in so doing, learning the value of applying that method in their everyday lives. Higgs bosons are produced by smashing together protons at the Large Hadron Collider. However, these Higgs bosons rapidly decay to well-known combinations of particles, such as electrons and muons. Proton collisions at the Large Hadron Collider are incredibly messy and throw out particle debris in all directions. Sometimes lots of particles can emerge from similar points in space, and it seems like they all come from the decay of one particular particle, like a Higgs boson. But these are false positives, pesky backgrounds, fake Higgs boson candidates. To minimize false positives when looking for Higgs bosons, we really have to zoom in and make sure all the particles we see really are coming from the exact same point in space. We say we can apply spatial cuts to our candidates. During Hunting the Higgs, audiences are shown true Higgs boson candidates that do pass these cuts and false positives that do not. Their job is to filter them out, just as complex particle physics algorithms do. However, audiences have to use their bodies rather than the CERN computing infrastructure. This simple game showcases the importance of analysis in particle physics, but also the importance of collaboration, diligence, and concentration in any scientific endeavour.